Hello folks, TK here. I'm the owner and operator of JDM Star, and I'm shooting this video to highlight what we proudly bring to you, this heavily modified JZX90 Mark II. Alright, there's a pretty extensive parts list that that can be read, that's on the internet right now. Rather than wasting my breath on all the parts individually, I'm just going to run over all the key points, and you can see, you know, the fine finish and the quality of this particular car. Yeah, the aero work is flawless. The boost is set at 1.75 right now, and it's conservatively rated at about 512 wheel brake horsepower, but we have 107 to 110 ROM octane gas here in Japan, so this thing will be and should be tuned down to about 1.3, 1.35 to run on 92 pump gas in the States. That should still place this car well north of 410, 425 realistically. Okay, now T67 turbine, truss ready piping. You can see that, well, let's hear this thing. That responds very well. I've driven this thing, and this is a absolute rocket ship. And unlike most cars that have been drifted rat rods, this one is not as such. This is impeccable. You can see that, you know, the carbon pieces here, even the splats for the aero work have been embellished with proper, you can see that, finishing touches. Okay, yep, Cusco multi-point roll cage, sports reclining SR bucket seats. Yeah, very nice. It's a belt, Tom's belts. You know, yeah, dash isn't lifting. Solid mounted. Yeah, you can imagine, you do the math, and you know, I would say probably converted from yen to dollar, about $40,000 was invested in this car on top of a JZX90. So this monster gauge is very nicely placed. You can see it. Okay. Yep, the Defi controller lives there. Heart of the matter again. Now, yeah, if you're wondering what something like this is going to cost, well, you know, you need to consult the web page and you'll see the price. But then you add the bits and components and the time and the care that went into assembling this thing, and in my opinion is an absolute bargain, because you know what, this is and will be the most radical JZX90 in the United States that was built in Japan and will be hitting American shores shortly. Okay, this is TK, owner of JDM Star, with a very heavily tuned 500 plus horsepower JZX90. Thank you for viewing.